So, something exciting has just came to our office today. That's the new iPhone 11, the new iPhone 11 Max Pro, the new Apple Watch Series 5, and a couple of accessories like the clear case for the phones and the new Apple Watch sports band, which is called the Pine Green Sports Band. This will definitely be a good match for the iPhone 11 Pro Max in midnight green. Let's do the unboxing. Let's start with the iPhone 11. Wow. So the iPhone 11 is actually in black. Okay, my light suddenly went out, but never mind, let's just continue. This is the back of the iPhone 11. This is actually glossy. This side the glass is actually matte. It's beautiful. Try to turn it on. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. The usual. Some paper, and then the pin. And Apple stickers. And the earbuds. So, this is the proprietary port for iPhone. This is the charger, still small and sleek, yeah. And then the charging cable. That's it for iPhone 11. So let's open up the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Gorgeous! Oh my god, this is a midnight green. Midnight green is so beautiful lah. Can you see? Wow. I love the midnight green. The matte finish is just so gorgeous. Turn on the power. Okay, let's do a comparison for the 11 and the 11 Pro Max. So you can see here, the matte finish on the midnight green is just so beautiful. And then this is the black with the glossy finish on the 11. And you see the close-up here, the lens here. This one is actually glossy finish and this is matte finish. Okay, I know that in the beginning everybody said that the design is a bit weird and not very mainstream, but after you look at the actual thing, and especially the midnight green, it's just so awesome. Check out the sides here. My god, the midnight green is so beautiful lah. The finish of the midnight green is really very pretty. My god, I can't stop admiring and staring at it. It's so beautiful. The 11 will be a bit more of the fingerprint magnet compared to the 11 Pro Max. So yeah. Oh, the midnight green is just so awesome, so pretty. And the front, it would pretty much be the same. I will not go into the technical specs of it yet. This is just basically a quick unboxing. Oh, something is different here though. This is actually a USB-C to lightning cable. So I think this one would be supporting fast charge compared to the other one on the 11. One is actually using the USB-C to lightning port, and the other one is actually using the Type A USB to lightning port. So that means the USB-C one would definitely be a fast charger, which is on the 11 Pro Max. I think this charger will be similar to the iPad Pro charger. So you see, there's a retractable, so it's easier for storage and for you to bring around. And you know that when you put it in the bag, it won't scratch your other items because this is all flushed. This is one of the main differences for accessories inside these two variants of iPhone. Let's try it on with the case. For this clear case, if you're wondering what's the difference between this clear case and the normal clear case that you can actually get from outside, I feel that this one is a bit more rigid. So it's a bit more harder, but it also encases the phone pretty beautifully, and it's harder to put it in, so it means it's also harder to take it out. Which is not a bad thing, because the last thing you want is like dropping it on the floor and then the case just come off by itself. I know it's a bit more expensive than what you can get from outside, but once you try this, you'll know that this one is actually a very good quality case. Next, the final things that we're going to open is from Apple Watch. So this is actually the Apple Watch Aluminium, which starts from $599, and this one that I got is actually the 44mm. Gorgeous, check it out. The packaging for Apple Watch is always so beautiful. See, box inside the box. And there's 2 boxes. Oh my god, so pretty. This is the space gray aluminium. And if you see this red ring here, you'll know that this is actually the LTE version with the cellular network. So this is actually, again, the brochure and the charging cable. So the charging cable would still be using the USB-A, just like the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is also retractable, but the difference is this is using the USB-A. And the aluminum one actually comes with a black strap. So this will be the black strap. I shall not put the black one on because I will want to match the Apple Watch with the midnight green. With using this pine green sport strap. Awesome lah! Ayoo! So nice! Look at it, the pine green. There's so much details that go into the design of all the accessories. And this one, if I put it like that. Oh yeah! Looking good, Share! Oh my god, the pine green one is just so amazing. And there's nothing technical about it for this unboxing. So if you want to know more about the technical details, look out for my next review on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So anyway, this is a quick unboxing for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, and the Series 5 Apple Watch. So if you like this video, remember to share with your friends, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to us. If you have any questions for me, just leave it down in the comments section below. See ya!